Google Drive storage full? In this video, learn the fastest way to delete unwanted files, empty trash permanently, and free up storage space on your Android phone in just a few easy steps. Opening the Google Drive applications. Browse through your files and locate the items you no longer need, such as old videos, duplicate photos, large documents, backups, or unnecessary downloads. Tap the three-dot menu icon next to the file you want to remove. From the options menu, select Remove or Move to Bin Trash. This will move the file out of your drive, but it will still stay inside the trash folder temporarily. To completely free up your storage, you should permanently delete the files from the bin. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the Google Drive app and open the Bin or Trash section. Here, you'll see all deleted files. Tap the three dots beside a file and choose Delete Forever to remove it permanently. If you want to clear everything quickly, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Empty Bin to delete all trash files at once. For even better storage management, sort files by size and remove large unused items first. You can also delete old backups, shared files, and duplicate uploads to save more space. Like, subscribe, and unlock more powerful Android tips every day.